Hi there, welcome back again to our channel. We want to thank you for joining us again to this next episode. If this is your first time joining our channel, we want to appreciate your time. For our loyal subscribers, we always give you a thumbs up and thanks for watching as we grow this platform. Again, today we have a new episode. Hopefully you watched our previous episode that inspired you to make sure you make an informed decision to advance your career. In this channel, we focus on online education principally, and we look some elements of a campus, but we focus online studies to provide you the guidance, the support, and so you, the viewers, can make an informed decision and you can graduate in flying colors. So, what are we talking about today? Today, we are focusing on the engagement during your recruitment process. If you have started an online application form or an online application to study, you will notice that your first line of contact where people or you'll be exposed to the following group of people. Or if you're already studying, you realize that you had to interact with these different individuals. Number one will be your academic, your enrollment advisor or education consultants. You get to meet these people, and also you will interact with the academic advisor. These are the group of people that in the course of once you become a student, you will be interacting with them, or the admissions office. So each time you hear all of these words and this language shouldn't be new to you. So in this episode, I'm going to break that down to you so you have a clear picture as to what role and at what level you expect to gain support. So please keep watching. So we're going to start with the student advisor. The student advisor in most cases will be the first person that will reach out to you once you show an interest to study online. So these student advisors are very experienced in what they do. By this I mean they reach out to you to kind of figure out what particular program you are interested in and what you need to know with regard to the program. They will tie your career goals and your ambitions to see how you fit into the program. They can determine to follow up on how you meet the basic requirements, things that are needed. They're gonna talk you through the whole program. You can have an interaction with them. You can talk on a variety of issues about your certifications, your experience, and different things. So this is the person that you kind of explain a lot of your stuff with them to figure out if you are a match to the program. These particular people, they will also, the academic and student advisors, they will look at your eligibility for the program, if you are the best fit or the best match. So you want to talk to them because they are the most important people in the online education system, because they can make the decision if you are eligible, or if you can move forward, or if they can work with you actually, or if they can figure out a way to go extra miles to actually get you into the program. They are so important that they can say no, you can't make it, and from their experience there's a possibility that you will not move forward. Again, there are people whom you can explain to them. They can work alongside you to support you through the whole process, to get your documentation, they will school you a little bit or support you through the tuition fee area to let you understand what exactly online learning is all about. They are so important and they will bring this lot of skills to you. So take advantage the first time you have a conversation with an education consultant or an enrollment advisor or whatever the term will be. So these guys are the most important, and they will be the one who they can tell you, they can perform the magic that this is possible, that I can get you through this and you can start in a week or two or in a month, or if you get this to me, you bring this and bring that and bring this, I'm gonna cook it together and present to the next level which they're gonna review. Hopefully this will help you have a clear understanding the next time you start the process. The next group of people you're going to be interacting with will be the admissions department. After looking at your file and confirming, the academic or the education advisor work in line with the admissions team. So they are tied together. So what they do is they've reviewed your file. They can say categorically that you are good to go. So the admissions team, the role is to look at it, to actually verify your claim, what you claim that you possess, by you having the right transcripts, having the right experience, and to see if what the consultant has confirmed it's in line with what is actually in the documentation. If you can back it up, if you meet the basic criteria which the consultant has confirmed. So the admissions team will be able to issue admissions letter if you are eligible. They will be the ones to even verify from your sources, your references that you gave. They can verify there to see if what you said you are, it is true. So all of these things are important. So the admissions team will review in greater details your personal statement, your motivation, your CV. They review that alongside the admissions, the consultant, education consultant. They will review that. They are working together. They are one-on-one together all the time. So this is important for you to know that these guys who you reach out first, they will prepare everything, make sure that you're good to go. Then they're still going to be working with the admissions department to get you through the whole process. Basic questions will go to them and they can deal with that. So you should be aware of that. The next group of people you're going to be working with are academic advisors. The academic advisors are very important also during the admissions chain. Now, why are they important? They're important because after you become a student, these are the people you're going to be interacting with. One, they are your go-to people. If you have a challenge, whatever you're facing, or any other thing in the classroom, which is a challenge, these are the people you're going to they are more focused on academic stuff. Like in your classroom, the things they may have access to a certain degree in your classroom, and they can see the things you see. But the two other groups of people that I mentioned earlier don't have that particular access. These are trustworthy individuals also. Of course, the first two are extremely trustworthy, but I'm saying on a personal note, these two, this academic advisor, they are very close to the faculty also. They can go into, these are the people you're going to work with until during graduation and stuff like that. So they will be with you through the rest of the lifetime of your studies, the academic advisors. So they just come in if you have issues. They can inform you on things that are going to happen, or things you haven't done before, or things you are expected to do. So they are there with you until the show is over. So this is just for you to know, and it's important for you to take into consideration that they are sitting there and making sure that they are not working with just you alone. So you don't just gonna be like bothering them, I want this, I want that, things you can do, because they are working with hundreds of students from all over the world. This also goes to their education consultant, or the academic, the education consultant actually. The education consultant, once you have their attention, I'm just going to advise you, you want to pay attention with them, because at that particular time they're ready to give you all the information. Of course, they're going to follow up again in the future, but the moment you establish that phone conversation, that's the time you can give all of your questions that you have. So make sure you get everything out of your chest to them so they can help you, and then you can also follow up with them again. So they are so important. Of all of this group, the education advisor, or you call them consultants, and the admissions department, the academic advisor, they are working in a chain. So you'll be interacting with these people. The academic advisors, they are very close to the professors. There are things that they may come in to rescue you with the professor. So an awful lot of stuff going on there. So this is the whole admissions chain I'm explaining to you. So the next time you start a process, you don't have to get scared that when you hear the word the advisor tells you it's going to the academic team, it's going to the admissions, it doesn't mean that it's getting worse. No, it's just because it has gotten to another level. But again, your education consultant is the most important person in the process, because he is the one who determines if you are good to go. He is the one that makes the decision. He is the one who tells you, this is what I need from you, this is what I need from you to get you into where you want to be. So this person is vital. They will talk you to the tuition fee. They can determine, they can talk to your boss, they can talk to your company and help you garner the support that you need to win the scholarship or to win the bursary. So hopefully this information about the whole admissions chain has been pretty clear to you. Again, if you got more questions or you feel there's something we've left out in this particular episode, we would like to hear from you. And thanks for watching. We're looking forward to meeting you again in our next episode, and have a good day. Bye-bye.